x power some fractions question, a power 5 by 4 some warm-up questions, divided by 64 equivalent to 169 divided by a power 3 by 4. Fractions 94. Rathore I already discussed in the class. It is just a doubt beta. You can WhatsApp me right after the class. I will discuss. Already I discussed. Maybe you missed the first class. 126, 144. I will discuss after I solve this problem. A power 5 by 4 by 64 equivalent to 169 by a power 3 by 4. So it is nothing but a power 8 by 4 equivalent to 169 into 64. So a square equivalent to 169 into 64. So it is nothing but 13 into 8. 13 into 8 is 104. 13 into 8 is 104. This is the traditional method. If the numbers are high, you can eliminate few answer options. Any perfect square ending with 4. 10 a square is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 4. Tens place should be an even number. 8 square 64. 12 square 144. Right, first option is out. Second option is out. A perfect square. If I take 124, 124 is not a perfect square because 12 square is 144, 10 square is 100. It does not lie between the numbers. Next one, any perfect square ending with 6, tens place should be an even number. 4 square 16, 6 square 36. So these eliminated in case if the numbers are high. 144 cannot be the answer. Why? Because 169 contains 13. Answer should be divisible by 13. Answer is 104. I hope it is clear. Answer is 104. Answer is 104. Just by using the logic of perfect squares, you can eliminate few options. One more question, write down. In case if the numbers are not 169 bigger numbers, you can take the learning from this question and you can do it. Second question, some warm-up questions. This class you will enjoy a lot, sir. Trust me, by the time the class is over, you will get to learn another 10 to 15 concepts. For 65% of 400 plus square root equivalent to 44% of 800, 44% of 800 minus 12% of 400, minus 12% of 400. Options are 1936, second one 34, third one 2155, fourth one 46, fifth one 1986. Exact question which is taken from competitive exam. 65% of 400 is 65% of 400 plus under root is 44% of 800 minus 12% of 400. Raju, any perfect square ending with 124 cannot be, Raju. Why? Because I got 169 beta. 169 contains 13. Answer should be divisible by 13. 124 is not divisible by 13. 125 is not divisible by 13. Raju, clear beta? This question, original competitive exam question. One is a calculation method, another is, right, if I were to solve the question, I will solve the question like this. 4. Answer is 1936. 5 seconds problem. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. 400 is divisible by 4. You have to know all this. Right, 400 is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. 12 plus x equivalent to 16 plus 28. This is divisible by 4, divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Answer is 32. 32 is also divisible by 4. Directly by looking at the question, you can get the answer. Directly by looking at the question, you can get the answer. This is method 1. Method 1. Divisibility rule of 4. I hope it is clear, right? 65 percentage of 400. 400 is divisible by 4. 44 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. Under root should be divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is last two digits should be divisible by 4. Only it is divisible. This is one way. Again and again I will tell you, please learn how I solve the problems more than just solving in your own method. Just use my brain for some time. Automatically after some time your brain, right, will work faster. 44 percentage of 800 minus 12 percentage of 400. Write down 1936, 34. What are the options? 2155, 2155, 46 and 1986. See how stupid are the person who created the answer options are. That guy did not even think when the answer options are there. Under root it is nothing but a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with it is 6, right? Any perfect square ending with 6 tens place is odd. So this is nothing but 1936, right? 1936. 1936. So if you see any perfect square ending with 4, tens place should be even. 8 square 164, 12 square 144. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is even. 5 square 25, 15 square 225. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place is odd. 4 square 36. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Beautiful question where the logic of perfect square is used absolutely in all the options to eliminate. Are you all with me, sir? Right? Only shortcuts will be discussed in the class. I hope the idea is clear, right? Idea is clear? Under root, any number if you write under root, it will become a perfect square. Perfect square, any perfect square ending with 4, tens place should be even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place should be 2. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place should be odd. Any perfect square cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Any perfect square cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Are you all with me, sir? Write down one more question. Write down one more question. People think that these simplification questions, SBI PO level questions, these are all very, very difficult questions. Yes, they are all very difficult questions because you don't know the approaches. Or the approaches which are taught for you, right, are traditional methods. Dash percentage of 30 is 31.9. Options 16, 23, 23. 18, 26, 22. This is another question sent by a student. He is writing mocks from Bankers Adda. He got this question. 14 percentage of 80 plus a dash percentage of 90 is 13.1. The question is solved in close to 1.5 minutes. Step by step solution. 10 percentage of 80. 10 percentage of 80 is 8. 1 percentage. Stupid approaches. It is a 10 seconds problem. It is a 10 seconds problem. See here. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is 9. What is the unit digit? What is 4 8s are 32, 2. What should be the unit digit? 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. So what should be the answer? 23. 3 9s are 27. 2 plus 7, 9. Finish. 14 percentage of 80. 14 percentage of 80. Right, again see here. 4 8s are 32. Unit digit is 2. 31.9. Unit digit is 9. Something plus unit digit is 9. That something unit digit should be 9. If I take 6, what will be the answer? If I take 6 into 9, 54. Right? This is one way. Another way. It will take still 5 seconds to solve if you know the approaches. This is 14 percentage is an even number. Plus something. 31.9 is an odd number. So this should be an odd number. If this is an odd number, right? 23. This will become 11.7. Answer is 23. Finish. Finish answer. Right? Please write down, sir. 640 percentage of, another question. 640 percentage of 965. of 6.25 equivalent to 640 percentage of 965, right, of 6.25, right, 38600, 386. If options are none of these, Nidhi, that also we will discuss after solving this question. I don't know whether you have attended the first class on simplification. I did not discuss one model. I discussed multiple models. That also we will discuss. 640 percentage of 965 of 6.25. Now see here. Such an easy question. Single step answer, you will get it. A percentage of A of B percentage is nothing but A percentage of B, which you know it. B percentage is B by 100. A percentage is A by 100 into B. Both are same. A of B percentage is A percentage of B. Remove this percentage. It is 640 into 965 into 6.25 percentage. Over answer. 6.25 percentage. Now if you listen carefully, 12.5 percentage is 1 by 8. 6.25 is, it is half of 1 by 8, 1 by 16. 640 into 960, 0. Finish. 640 percentage of 965. 640 percentage of 965 is of 965 into 6.25 percentage. Put it to the third value. If I put it to the third value, 6.25 percentage will become 1 by 16. 16 ones are 16 fours are 4 into 965 is 38600. 38600. Right? In case if you want, you can cross check by using a digital sum. Nidhi, in the previous question. You can cross check by using digital sum. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 12.5 percentage is 1 by 8. That should strike immediately. If it strikes immediately, then immediately you can do it. I hope it is clear, right? Nidhi, you got any doubt? You can use a digital sum. We have discussed multiple concepts, right? Please write down one more. Write one more question. 560 into 99.5 percentage plus root of 2304. Options: 808.2, 615.2, 805.2, 605.2, 607.2, 607.2. Same thing. Apply the digital sum. You will get the answer. 560. 5 plus 6, 11. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 is 1. 1 plus. This is 2304. We will keep it aside. So it is nothing but root of 2304. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So that will keep it aside. I will find out the square root. I think morning I discussed. So it will become 2 or 8. So 42 or 48. So 48 will give you the digital sum same. In the afternoon class we discussed square root of 2304 is 48. 2304 is 48 whole square. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square is 9. 9 equivalent to 9. So what is the digital sum of this number? For this number it is 1 into 5, 2 into 5, 10. So it is 1. Next it is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 605.2. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. I hope it is clear. right? If it is not clear, just go if more than one answer option has the same digital sum. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum. Suppose if the question is 560.2. A smart student can ask me 560.2. What if it is 560.2? 560.2, it cannot be the right answer because common sense should tell you, right? 560 into 990, 99.5 percentage plus root of 2304. If I approximate the value to 100 percentage, it is 560 and it is 428. Answer is just less than 608. Answer is just less than 608. So this will be the answer. I hope it is clear. 608. If you know all these logics, these are all very, very easy. But do you know all these logics is the question. Do you know all the logics is the question. I hope it is clear. One more question. After this we will discuss speed calculation. 605.2. One more question. 935 whole square. 935 whole square plus 11 square. Plus 11 square. Write down the options. 364346. 364346. 876246. 876246. 8754. 8754. 46. 874346. I will discuss few shortcuts in this. 874346 and none of this. And none of this. And none of this. First is check by using digital sum. More than one is there. Then I will discuss another method. 935 whole square plus 11 square. So 935, 9 deleted, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 square is 64, 6 plus 4, 10, 1. 11 is 2, 2 square is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. Answer digital sum should be 5. 6 plus 3, 9 out. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 digital sum is 8. 7 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 4 plus 8, 18 out. Next is 6. Next one, 5 plus 4, 9 out. Next one, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 2 plus 5, 7. It is not possible. So, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 3, 18 out. 8 plus 6, 14, 5. So, answer we are stuck between. We are stuck between D and E. E also could be the option. E also could be the option. Right? E also could be the option. Digital sum should be same, Gagandeep. I already discussed. We checked by using digital sum. Digital sum for 607.2 is not as close as the or not as same as the question. Digital sum check kar lo beta. Digital sum check kar lo. Confuse hai to. Right? Concept. Square of the numbers. Concept. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Square of the numbers ending with 5. In the first class I discussed that. I will come back to it. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Concept 1. Listen carefully. 3 concepts I will discuss. Concept 1. Concept 1. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Concept 1. Listen carefully. All you have to do is just listen carefully. By the video course, listen as many times as possible. Suppose if I take 3 examples. 15 into 15, which is 225. 25 into 25, which is 625. 15 into 25, which is 375. 3 examples I am taking because this will give a beautiful concept. First it is ending with 5. It is ending with 5. 1 is an odd number. Odd number ending with 5. Again 1 is an odd number ending with 5. Odd 5 into odd 5. What are the last 2 digits? Last 2 digits is 25. Last 2 digits is 25. Last 2 digits is 25. 2 is an even number. Again 2 is an even number. What are the last two digits? 25. 1 is an odd number ending with 5. Again 2 is an even number ending with 5. What are the last two digits? 75. Please write down this very important concept. If you multiply any two odd numbers ending with 5 or any two even numbers ending with 5, last two digits will be 25, else it will be 75. When you multiply any two odd numbers ending with 5 or any two even numbers ending with 5, last two digits will be 25, else it will be 75. When you multiply any two odd numbers ending with 5 or any two even numbers ending with 5, last two digits is 25, else it is 75. Problems.